In this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI-generated cartoons just like this. We'll focus on creating consistent characters, perfect lip syncing, and high-quality voiceovers. But first, let's take a look at what we're going to create today.
Nothing ever works. Huh? Oops! Wrong stop! Whee! This is so much fun! Look at all the toys! Adventure time! Yay! Keep going!
See that? Everything you just saw was made 100% for free, and the quality is absolutely amazing. So why are you still waiting? Let's dive in and start making your own AI cartoon. First, copy the prompt I've given you. It's in the comments section. Now go to ChatGPT, open a new chat, paste the prompt, and hit enter. ChatGPT will generate everything you need: character prompts, image generation prompts, and video generation prompts. Okay, now let's create our beautiful characters. Copy the Character 1 prompt from the Master Character Prompt section in ChatGPT. Go to Gemini, open a new chat, paste it, select Tools, choose Create Image, set the mode to Fast, and hit Enter. Gemini will give us a really beautiful character. Create your other characters the same way. All right, we're done with the characters. Now it's time to create our scene images. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the text-to-image prompt for your first scene. Go to Gemini, paste the prompt, and select Pro mode, then hit Enter. We use Pro version because it allows us to generate images in a 16:9 aspect ratio. But wait, Pro mode has limits, right? Here's the solution. If your Pro credits run out, we'll try generating the same image in Fast mode. See, even though Fast mode is free, it gives us a 1-to-1 image. If you have a paid plan, you can continue using Pro, but if you have the free plan and Pro is limited, here's what you do. Generate the image in 1-to-1 aspect ratio. Download that image. Come to this image expander website, I'll put the link in the description, upload your image, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, click the Generate button to create your image, then click the Download button to download it. Okay, now let's see how to convert our images into videos. I'm using Grok for this. Trust me, it's completely free. Go to the Imagine tab in Grok, select Video, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, go to ChatGPT, copy the image to video prompt for that specific scene, upload the first scene image you downloaded, paste the prompt, and hit Enter. Grok will now give us a free video. See, it looks super cool, doesn't it?
Nothing ever works.
Now, create your other scene videos the same way and download them. Use your editing software to put it all together. Remember to add transitions, background music, and sound effects. Don't forget. All right, today I showed you how to create AI cartoons with consistent characters and lip syncing, all for free. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button on this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below.